Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to connect this OnePlus mobile phone to Google TV. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. Method 1. First go to TV, then go to settings. Select the settings icon from top right corner. Go to network and internet. Here you can see I have connected this TV to Wi-Fi network named Wi-Fi 2024. If you don't have Wi-Fi router, then you can use mobile hotspot. So this is a step 1. Step 2. Go to mobile phone, then from top swipe down. Then tap on Wi-Fi. Here you can see I have connected this mobile phone to same Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. This is very important. We have to connect both the mobile phone and TV to same Wi-Fi network. After that, in this mobile phone, go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Then go to connection and sharing. Tap here. Then tap on screencast. Tap here. Tap on search for display devices. Tap here. See, now searching for display devices. Done. You can see this mobile phone has detected Google TV in the same Wi-Fi network. See, this is the name of the Google TV which I am using. Tap on this TV name. Tap on start now. See, it's working. So this is a method 1. If you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation in mobile phone, then just rotate the phone. That way we can switch display to full screen. Next I will show you how we can stop this. Again go to that screencast window. Then here tap on stop screencast. Done. So this is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2. In mobile phone, open Google Play Store. Tap on this Google Play Store app icon. Then install this app, Google Home app. I already installed this Google Home app. Let me open it. Tap on open. Then we need to log in with the Gmail ID and the password. I already logged in. Then tap on this devices tab. Tap here. You can see this Google Home app has detected Google TV in the same Wi-Fi network. Here you can see the name of the Google TV which I am using. Tap on this TV name. Tap on customize screen. Tap on cast screen. Tap on start now. Done. You can see it's working. See, this is a method 2. So next I will show you how we can stop this. Again go to Google Home app. Then tap on stop mirroring. Done. So these are the two methods. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.